Welcome to JobPro's Foam Inventory Walkthrough. In this video, we are going to walk through how to order material, receive those materials into your warehouse, transfer the material onto your scheduled equipment, and finally use that material on a job. Let's get started. To order material, you will need to create a stock order. Navigate to the Add drop-down and select Stock Order. Once on the stock order screen, you can utilize certain filters to select the items you need to add to your stock order. When selecting the items to add, make sure to input which supplier this item is coming from. JobPro can add default suppliers to all your items so that when you create a stock order, this field is pre-filled in. Next, add the quantities you are ordering for each specific item, then click Add to Order. Once all of your items are added, click the Create Order button. Next, a pop-up window will appear with your stock order information. You can click the stock order number in this window and it will redirect your browser to the stock order page. From here, you'll be able to receive the materials. Once on the stock order page, you must hit the Items tab to receive your material. By clicking Receive Items, a pop-up window will appear where you can adjust the quantity you've received and the pricing of the material if necessary. Foam material requires a serial number be entered on each individual drum. JobPro can turn on a setting that will automatically generate and apply each of these serial numbers for you. Finally, you will need to type in the vendor bill number and the total amount of the material you are receiving. The update buttons at the bottom of the screen are different actions in the system. You can choose to update the material cost on the job associated to this stock order, update the default inventory material costs on the item, update both or none at all. Now that you have received material, you are ready to transfer material to your rigs. In the Entry dropdown, go to Daily Inventory Management. This screen displays all your rigs that are scheduled for the indicated day. If you are looking to load a truck from a previous day, simply enter the specific date you need and click Search. Each scheduled rig is indicated by a colored dot. Red dots indicate that there is not enough material loaded, orange means it is partially loaded, and green means you are ready to go. Scheduling jobs in JobPro is no different with inventory, but it is a necessary first step in order to load material onto your equipment. Select the truck you need to load, and the items that are required for each job associated to that truck will display. For foam inventory, all available drums can be found in the serialized foam fields on the right side of the Daily Inventory Management screen. You can search for individual drums by warehouse, item name, or serial number. To load a drum onto your truck, simply drag and drop the drum onto the item in the designated equipment. Once you have added all your material to your equipment, click Mark Materials as Loaded to finish. Once all your material is loaded, you're ready to use it on a job. You can quickly and easily access your job by clicking the job link directly on your equipment. From the job, you will be able to begin relieving your inventory on the Job Processing tab. This process is only slightly different from the current material entry process. In addition to the install date, crew, and quantities, all foam entries also require the drum to be assigned. Please note, if you have inventory feature turned on, you must load your trucks before reaching this stage. Once all the material used is officially put into the Job Processing tab, you can head back to the Daily Inventory Management screen to manage any leftover foam material on your truck. For a more in-depth look at how you can manage your drums, please watch the Combining Drums Inventory tutorial included in this playlist. That is going to conclude our walkthrough of the foam inventory. If you have any questions, please reach out to your JobPro support team today. You can call us at 704-584-4019, submit a ticket through our new support portal, or email us at support@jobprotech.com. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.